Planting in August is crucial for maintaining garden productivity as the summer transitions to fall. This late summer planting period offers an excellent opportunity to extend the harvest season and prepare for cool weather crops. By carefully selecting the right plants and timing their planting, gardeners can enjoy a bountiful harvest well into the cooler months. August planting not only maximizes the use of the growing season, but also ensures a steady supply of fresh produce as temperatures begin to drop. Whether you're filling in gaps left by earlier harvests or starting new crops that thrive in cooler weather, planting in August is a strategic move to keep your garden thriving. Section 1. Cool climate planting. In cool climates, August is an ideal time to plant leafy greens, which thrive in cooler temperatures. Lettuce varieties such as romaine, butterhead, and leaf lettuce are excellent choices. These types grow quickly and can be harvested in just a few weeks, providing fresh, crisp greens well into the fall. Spinach is another fast-growing option that prospers in cooler conditions, making it perfect for late summer planting. Additionally, arugula is a quick-maturing green that adds a peppery flavor to salads and is well-suited for cooler temperatures. Root vegetables are a great addition to your August planting schedule in cool climates. Radishes are particularly advantageous due to their rapid growth, often ready for harvest within just a few weeks. Carrots are also a good choice, especially if you select shorter varieties that mature faster, ensuring they are ready before the first frost. Beets offer a dual-purpose crop, providing both nutritious greens and flavorful roots. They thrive in cooler weather and can be harvested in the fall. Brassicas are another category of vegetables that perform well when planted in August. Kale is a hardy plant that thrives in cooler weather and can withstand light frosts, making it an excellent choice for fall harvests. Broccoli planted in August can yield bountiful fall harvests, taking advantage of the cooling temperatures to produce dense, flavorful heads. Cabbage, too, is well suited for late summer planting, as it grows robustly in cooler conditions and can be harvested in the fall for fresh, crunchy leaves. Section 2. Warm climate planting. In warm climates, August is an excellent time to plant heat-tolerant greens that can withstand high temperatures while also transitioning well into cooler weather. Swiss chard is a versatile green that thrives in both heat and cooler temperatures, making it a reliable choice for continuous harvests throughout the season. Its vibrant stems and leaves add both nutrition and color to your garden. Collard greens are another heat-tolerant option, known for their nutritional value and ability to thrive in warm conditions. These greens are hardy and provide a steady supply of fresh leaves. Herbs are a fantastic addition to any warm climate garden, especially in August. Basil is particularly well suited for warm weather, and planting it now ensures a continuous supply of fragrant leaves for your culinary needs. This herb flourishes in the heat, making it a staple for summer and fall gardens. Cilantro, on the other hand, prefers slightly cooler temperatures later in the month. It is quick growing and can be harvested multiple times if planted now, providing fresh, flavorful leaves for your dishes as the temperatures begin to drop. Adding fall flowering plants to your garden can enhance its beauty and extend the flowering season. Marigolds are an excellent choice for warm climate planting in August. They not only brighten up the garden with their vibrant colors, but also help deter pests, making them both decorative and functional. Zinnias are another heat-loving plant that can provide a splash of color throughout the fall. They thrive in warm conditions and continue to bloom, adding life and vibrancy to your garden as other summer flowers begin to fade. Section 3. Transitional crops. Planting legumes in August can bridge the gap between summer and fall harvests, providing a continuous supply of fresh produce. Bush beans are an excellent choice for transitional planting. They are quick maturing and can produce a harvest before the first frost hits. Their compact growth habit makes them suitable for smaller garden spaces, and they can be planted successively to ensure a steady supply. Peas are another legume ideal for a fall harvest. By planting them early in August, you can take advantage of the cooler temperatures that peas prefer, allowing them to grow and mature in the best conditions. Peas are not only delicious, but also enrich the soil with nitrogen, benefiting subsequent crops. Cruciferous vegetables are well suited for planting in August as they thrive in cooler temperatures, which improve their flavor and quality. Cauliflower is a prime example. This vegetable benefits from the cooler fall weather, which enhances its taste and texture. Planting cauliflower in August allows it to mature in ideal conditions, resulting in a bountiful and flavorful harvest. Brussels sprouts are another excellent choice for transitional planting. These vegetables benefit significantly from maturing in cooler weather, which helps to develop their characteristic sweet and nutty flavor. By planting Brussels sprouts in August, you can ensure they reach maturity in the cooler months, providing a delicious addition to your fall and winter meals. Section 4. Tips for successful August planting. Proper soil preparation is crucial for successful planting in August. Start by enriching the soil with compost or organic matter. This addition provides essential nutrients and improves soil structure, promoting healthy plant growth. Compost helps retain moisture, which is vital during the hot, dry days of late summer. It's also important to ensure proper drainage and soil aeration. Well-draining soil prevents waterlogging, which can lead to root rot, while aeration allows roots to access the oxygen they need. Use a garden fork or aerator to loosen the soil and break up any compacted areas, ensuring that water and air can move freely through the soil. Consistent and regular watering is essential to combat the intense heat of late summer. Newly planted seeds and seedlings need frequent watering to establish their roots. Water deeply to encourage roots to grow down into the soil, making the plants more drought resistant. Early morning is the best time to water, as it allows the plants to absorb moisture before the day heats up, reducing evaporation. Mulching is another effective technique to retain soil moisture and regulate soil temperature. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around your plants. This not only helps conserve water, but also suppresses weeds and adds organic matter to the soil as it decomposes. Monitoring for pests is particularly important in late summer, as many insects are more active during this time. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests such as aphids, caterpillars, and beetles. Natural pest deterrents can help manage these pests without harmful chemicals. For example, introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings can reduce aphid populations. Companion planting is another effective strategy. Planting marigolds, for example, can deter nematodes and other pests. Additionally, using homemade sprays made from neem oil or garlic can repel various insects. As August progresses, especially in cooler climates, preparing for early frosts is essential to protect your plants. Row covers and cold frames can provide a protective barrier against frost, keeping your plants warmer during cold nights. These covers trap heat and create a microenvironment around the plants. Using clochets or plastic covers can also shield young plants from frost. These individual plant protectors can be made from recycled plastic bottles or purchased commercially. Ensure they are securely placed over the plants in the evening and removed during the day to prevent overheating. By following these tips for soil preparation, watering, pest control, and frost protection, you can ensure a successful August planting season, extending your garden's productivity well into the fall. These practices will help your plants thrive despite the challenges of late summer heat and the approaching cooler weather. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!